Ever wondered how to prepare a chainsaw to fight the undead? Well, ponder no more. In the world of horror, chainsaws have become a symbol of survival, a tool of the trade for those brave enough to face the undead. Today we delve into the nitty-gritty of prepping this beast of a machine to become your best ally. To begin, your chainsaw needs to be in perfect working order. A faulty chainsaw is a liability, not a weapon. So our first step is to inspect the chainsaw meticulously. Check for any signs of wear and tear and ensure the chain is sharp and intact. A dull chain is as good as a blunt knife against the undead. Next, we focus on the fuel. A chainsaw without fuel is as good as a car without gas. It won't get you far. Mix the right amount of gasoline and oil, usually a 50-to-1 ratio, and fill up the tank. Remember, always have extra fuel at hand. You wouldn't want your chainsaw to run out of juice at a crucial moment. Safety should never be compromised, even when dealing with the undead. Always wear protective gear when handling a chainsaw. Gloves, safety glasses, and sturdy boots are a must. You're preparing to fight the undead, not join them. Now it's time to fire up your chainsaw. Pull the starter rope swiftly until the engine roars to life. Make sure it's running smoothly and the chain is moving freely. Practice your grip, your stance, and your swing. A chainsaw is a heavy tool, and handling it requires strength and precision. Finally, maintenance is crucial. Clean your chainsaw regularly and check all its parts. A well-maintained chainsaw is a reliable chainsaw. In summary, to prepare a chainsaw for fighting the undead, you need to ensure it's in perfect working condition, fill it up with the right fuel, wear protective gear, practice your handling, and maintain it regularly. With these steps, you'll be ready to face the undead. Remember, in the world of horror, your chainsaw is not just a tool, it's your lifeline. So prep it well, handle it with care, and let it roar.